Integrating Zoho Forms with Zoho CRM allows you to capture leads, contacts, and other customer data directly into your CRM from online forms, streamlining your data entry and follow-up process. Here's how to set it up. Create a Zoho form. Start by logging into Zoho Forms and creating a new form. Add relevant fields like name, email, phone number, and any custom fields you want to collect. Enable Zoho CRM integration. Go to Settings, Integrations, Zoho CRM. Click Integrate and sign in with your Zoho CRM account if prompted. Choose a CRM module. Select the module you want to send form data to, typically leads, contacts, or deals. You can also choose to create records in multiple modules simultaneously. Map form fields to CRM fields. Match each Zoho form field with the corresponding field in Zoho CRM. This ensures data is accurately transferred. Enable workflow actions. Choose whether to trigger CRM workflows, assign leads to specific users, or send notifications when a form is submitted. Test the integration. Submit a test form to make sure the data flows correctly into your CRM.